Hey everybody, good morning. I wanted to show you all something that you guys can incorporate into your sessions that my kids love and I personally love to use. So I want to share it with you all and make sure that you all get this free background series that I'm about to show you. So one thing that I've been doing that I love is singing and incorporating a song at either the beginning or the end of every session. So I'm using familiar songs that we might have sung together in person and then incorporating them with the green screen. So today we're going to do head, shoulders, knees, and toes. And we've got our monster friend here, and he's going to help us sing the song and go through a sequence of backgrounds that go with head, shoulders, knees, and toes. So we would start with head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Precious. I'm obsessed. All the credit goes to Kylie for drawing this monster and getting these backgrounds available for all of us. And I adore him, and also my kids love it that it looks like he's dancing. And you can also speed it up or slow it down just like you would with the normal song. So you could go slowly, like head, let me see you do head. Where is your head? Shoulders, show me your shoulders. Knees and toes, knees and toes. Unlike using a video, I can slow this down or speed it up however I like just by using my virtual backgrounds and clicking through them. Which I think is really the main benefit for using the green screen for doing songs like this, because sometimes with the YouTube videos and sharing super simple songs on YouTube, they're too fast and I can't pause and help my kids walk through it. But when I have them as backgrounds, my kids can do it slowly with me and with the monster. And this is the first of one of many songs that we're going to be uploading background series to. So just wanted to get you guys started on using this one. I also want to show you what it looks like from my end. So I'm going to do that right after this. Okay, so from my end, this is what it looks like. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. So I'm just clicking through the backgrounds and then just alternating between knees and toes, going back and forth, back and forth. If you use it, show us, tag us. I want to see you guys using it, and I hope you all have a great week.